Hello, sweetie. Welcome back to Sister United Foods, the home of quality healthy products. Today I'm going to show you how I make waffles out of the Bofrot Puff Mix. Yes, out of the Bofrot Puff Mix. You are just going to love this recipe. You need to grab yourself the Bofrot Puff Mix from Sister United Foods, or it is available in Ghana as well. Just measure a few little spoons and then add some water, just ordinary cold water. Stir, don't make it too thick as it is going to stick to your waffle maker. Oil your waffle maker, warm it up, and then add your mixture in there. Just get ready to be amazed by the Puff Bofrot mix. Leave it for at least 5 minutes and then look at that. That looks so delicious. And you know what I did? I topped mine with some fruit and some ice cream. You definitely need to go and grab yourself the Bofrot Puff mix from Sister United, and you will definitely not regret buying this product. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you.